Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily transfer crypto from Kucoin to Binance. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Kucoin, go to top right and click Assets. Here you're going to find all your assets that you have. Click on your main account, and then you want to simply write in the search, let's say Bitcoin, or just write the coin that you want to transfer to Binance. Click Withdraw. Right here, you're gonna have the wallet address, and what you want to do is just like add a usual address here, or just like paste it. So I will go here in Binance, wallet, overview, and here I will click fiat and spot. Now right here, I'm going to click Bitcoin, withdraw. No, sorry, deposit. Not withdraw, deposit. Bitcoin deposit. Here you're gonna see this, and here's the address that you're looking for. Copy the address and you paste it right here. Or this is the first way how we can do it. I recommend like add a usual address here. Remark name, this is going to be Binance. And wallet address. Submit. Now I'm going to add a trading password. Send code here and 2FA. So many things to actually add one address here. And then 2FA, let me give me a second. So much security, right? Okay. And now I can simply click Binance address. You can do it this way or the first way, and you add your amount here and you just send it to Binance. My recommendation, guys, is definitely send a small amount first and then send everything else. So what you want to do is don't send like literally everything straight away. You just want to send 5%, right? And then send everything else. So if you're gonna sending $10,000, don't send everything all at once. Send a small sum of the money first, some of the coins, and then send everything else. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I hope I didn't explain it too fast. It's really simple. Go to assets. Then right here in your asset overview, you add Bitcoin and you just click withdraw. And on a Binance, you click wallet overview and you're gonna click deposit, crypto or fiat and spot. Find a Bitcoin here and deposit. And you just deposit it right here. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.